welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I did this design with a 3D bauble on the nail. So I have got me tips on here and we are going to be going in with this grey from the Beatles and this glitter here, and we are just going to be putting this grey colour, it's the closest I've got to silver, on all nails apart from the middle one. And we are just going to put the glitter one on the middle nail. Now we are going to take a silver powder and we are going to be putting it on these two nails here. Like so. We are going to put a second coat of the glitter on. Like so, super sparkly. Now for our thumb we are going to take our one and only cat eye gel and we're going to put that over the top. And we are going to cure again. of this glitter that's left over, I kind of want to dab about on this nail here. Not too much, just a little bit of sparkle, but some of the bigger ones dotted about. Like so. Just a little bit, not a lot. Now, to make this bauble, as you can see, we just got the glitter on. 3D, like this one here, I'm going to be going in with my clear UV LED fibre gel. And I'm just using a disposable brush to pick up some of the gel, like so. And then you're going to want to place it on top. Ooh, make sure we're in frame. We are. And just slowly work it around until you get a nice circle covering up the original base coat glitter that we did. Now, when you were doing this, to prevent too many bubbles, keep the brush in the gel as you're moving it about, and that will prevent too many air bubbles from forming. And then you're going to want to cure that for the specified time. Move the other ones out of the way, so hopefully my camera can focus on it. It doesn't really want to. Come on, camera. So there we go, you can see we have a nice 3D bauble effect on the nail. And if you would like it a bit taller, which if I sort of put them side by side, you can see that this one is taller than this one. You just go in and you do the exact same thing again. And there we go. We have our bauble with the glitter inside of it. Now we are just going to go in with some stickers. I am going to be using this snowman here and the Christmas tree. And this is what we've got so far. Now we are going to be moving on to the embellishments. I have this really super pretty snowflake which we are going to be putting on the thumb with some of these stars here. And we're going to give that a little bit of a cure. Now on to this one, we are going to be needing one of these moons. Now these are quite big, but they are very thin, so I'm just going to hold either side of it like this, use the side of the nail and just bend it ever so slightly. It's not hard to do, the metal is nice and thin. just so when we put it on the nail it sits much nicer and flusher to the nail. Like that. And we are going to cure it again. So we flash cured that in place. Now we are going to work on the bauble nail. So we are going to put a line up the nail like so. And then there are little tiny round things in here, and I'm just going to be grabbing them and putting them in a line going up the nail. And this is what we have got. We've got a cute little Christmas tree. We've got our 3D bauble. We've got our subtle stars and moon, our snowman, and then our Diamante snowflake, which my camera does not want to focus on. There we go. So we are just going to top coat all of this and I will be back, guys. And there we go. We are all top coated. And this is the finished set of nails with a 3D bauble. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Bye.